What would happen if everyone planted a tree? Welcome to Erklärwürdig, worth explaining. With a world population of about 8 billion people, 8 billion new trees would be planted. This would significantly increase the global tree population, depending on the location and care of the trees. A tree can bind several tons of CO2 over its lifetime. 8 billion trees could remove billions of tons of CO2 from the atmosphere every year, which would help slow climate change. Trees filter pollutants from the air, such as nitrogen oxides, ammonia, and sulfur dioxide. A larger number of trees would improve air quality worldwide. The roots of trees prevent soil erosion and help maintain fertile soils. Forests provide habitats for countless animal and plant species. New trees could help restore threatened habitats and promote biodiversity. Trees play a key role in the water cycle by storing water and releasing it into the atmosphere through transpiration. More trees could contribute to a more stable water supply. In cities, more trees could reduce the heating of the environment caused by the many sealed surfaces by providing shade and lowering temperatures through evaporative cooling. Planting trees can connect communities, raise awareness of environmental protection, and contribute to mental health as green spaces are perceived as calming. Basically, these are very nice thoughts, and it is also a good idea if it is done correctly. Let's get to the challenges and problems. First of all, it would make much more sense not to cut down existing healthy and old trees, as the benefits of newly planted trees will only be fully felt in years and decades, compared to trees that have already grown over the years. The young plants require a lot of care, and there is little point in planting trees if none survive in their early years. The opposite of carbon dioxide storage becomes the case when forests with dead, young trees become carbon dioxide producers due to the rotting process. There are now many projects and companies that have discovered tree planting as their core business. Many of them are very conscientious, serious, and work with the necessary scientific care. However, a global study analyzed 174 organizations involved in tree planting. Only 32 of these mentioned monitoring tree growth on their websites. Most of the species planted were also more commercial, such as mango, cocoa, or coffee. Planting invasive species can also be dangerous and environmentally damaging. In the 19th century, acacias were brought to South Africa to stabilize sand dunes. Since then, they have spread rapidly, and their high water requirements are lowering the groundwater level. Combating the spread costs millions of dollars every year. Other problems with large-scale projects include corruption and the displacement of local farmers. However, if the problems and challenges are addressed professionally, planting trees remains a good idea in principle, provided it is done well, on the balcony, in the garden, or as a massive reforestation project in a country.